If your laptop doesn't have a Type-C charging port, but you want to use a power bank like the Oraimo PowerJet 130 or the Oraimo PowerJet 501, let me show you how you can go about it. I've been getting a lot of questions about how to get a Type-C to DC cable for this power bank so that it's going to charge your laptops. And I have two options for you. The first option is that you can get a Type-C to DC adapter, just like the one you're seeing on the screen. So you can use the Type-C cable that came along with your power bank, like this one here, then attach it to the adapter that matches your laptop charging port. And the second option is to get a single Type-C to DC cable. This one goes straight from the power bank to your laptop without the need of an adapter. So no adapter is needed here. Now, very important, make sure whatever cable you are buying supports 100 watts PD, 100 watts power delivery, and a 5 amperes e-marker cable. If not, it may not charge your laptop properly. So how to get the right one for your laptop? If you still have the manual of your laptop with you, check the port section. If you don't, then do this. All you have to do is to go to Google and type the laptop brand, model, and charging port size. So let's say you are using an HP laptop. So you go for HP ProBook 450 G5. Then you now put the charging port size and search. Now you are going to see this AI overview. The AI overview is going to tell you the exact size for your laptop. Now it says the HP ProBook 450 G5 charging port uses a 4.5 mm by 3.0 mm barrel connector with a central pin. Now what you have to do is to now go on ALIEXPRESS and search for this exact pin or connector. Okay, so you can see if you look at this overview, this says your laptop typically requires a 65 watts. So depending on your laptop, it's going to tell you what it requires. So let me search for ALIEXPRESS. And on ALIEXPRESS search bar, I'm going to type in HP laptop 4.5 mm by 3.0 mm USB-C to DC 100 watts cable. If you want an adapter, you can put adapter there. If you want a cable, you can put cable there. As you can see here, you can see these cables already. You can see the first one that says PD 100 watts with PD chip. Okay, you can see 4.5 by 3.0, which is showing the pin 1. Let another one, you are going to see the adapter. So this cable, I think, is a short one. So I'll be going to another one, like the one I'm seeing here. Yeah, this one is a bit longer from what I'm seeing here, and it costs just $4.17. So the shipping should be less than $5 or $10 thereabouts, depending. As you can see, this is like the one I have here, which you can see on the screen right now. So this is the one I would recommend you to go for. That is a full cable without the need for an adapter. But if you want an adapter, you can order from that first seller. That is how you do it. So it's as easy as that. I will also drop some links in the description just to save you stress of searching. Please make sure you select the right cable so that the seller will not send you the wrong cable. I personally got these cables and adapter from ALIEXPRESS, and I think there are some available here. Don't go and get the one for routers. Get the one for laptops. And for me, my own have been working fine. So yes, you can charge your non-Type-C laptops with your power bank. Just get the right connector. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Please stay safe. Bye for now. Peace.